How to enable install unknown apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to allow your device to install apps from outside the Play Store. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps. At this point, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Special Access. In the next step, tap on Install Unknown Apps. Following this, you'll see a list of apps that can be granted permission to install unknown apps, which can be given permission to install unknown apps. From there, tap on the app you want to allow. For example, if you're installing an APK through Chrome, tap on Chrome. At this stage, toggle on Allow from this source to grant that app permission to install unknown apps. After this, go back and open the APK file you want to install through that app, and the installation should now go through without any issues. From here, keep in mind that installing apps from unknown sources can be risky. Only download APK files from trusted and verified websites to keep your device safe. Finally, once you're done installing, it's a good idea to go back and toggle off Allow from this source to keep your device secure. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable install unknown apps on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.